The Automan here. Today we're talking about the do's and don'ts if your vehicle starts to overheat. We've all been in that situation. Well, a lot of us have been in that situation. All of a sudden you notice that your vehicle temperature gauge is creeping up and goes into the red. Well, I'm here to tell you, if you continue to operate the vehicle, it can get very expensive from that point forward. A lot of items in the cooling system keep your vehicle operating properly and cool. Everything from radiators, which you'll see here is one that's coming apart that can cause issues, coolant hoses, water pumps, thermostats, fan clutches, etc. All these components work together to keep the temperature of your engine in the proper range to prevent overheating. If one of them fails, you can start to get an overheating condition on your vehicle. If you do, the important thing is to get the vehicle shut down as soon as possible to eliminate the amount of damage that can be caused. We want you to be safe at the West Automotive Group. So if you're on the freeway, you need to look for a spot to get your vehicle off the freeway to a safe spot to shut it down. The most important thing, like I said though, is the quicker you shut the vehicle down, the better chance you have of saving yourself money and getting the vehicle towed. Get yourself to a safe spot, get it shut down, get it towed in and inspected. I'm Brian Bowersock, the Automan.
Join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.